Hey guys, how's it going? So today I'm gonna ride my bike to one of the biggest nerd stores in Okinawa, Japan, Manga Souko. They have the biggest collection in Okinawa of manga, anime, video games, all kinds of nerd things you could think of. Manga Souko literally means Manga Warehouse. So if you unfortunately have a little bit of Weibo in your blood like I do, you'll want to check this store out. So let's get on the bike and check this store out.
Going down a big hill. I don't know if I trust this bike.
Woo!
Guys, the ocean is right there. Right? I'll show you. I'm gonna cross. I can't not cross the street and go to the ocean. I'm gonna go. I'll show you guys the ocean. This is amazing. Sorry about the lighting, guys. The sun, it's kind of cloudy. The sun keeps going in and out, but look, here's the ocean. Also, here's a cat. I'm literally right on the water. Look at this. Here we are, guys, Manga Warehouse. Manga Souko. They're open 24 hours.
Japanese store without first walking in to an arcade. And I'm gonna try and be subtle. Look at Taiko no Tatsujin, that's such a fun game. I'm gonna try and be subtle with this camera because I'm not sure I'm allowed to record in here. But this is just the arcade, this isn't even the store. These are just prizes you can win from this machine. You grab a number, if you can get one, you get the numbered prize here. Pretty amazing. And of course, Japan always has to have stuff like that. This is just like a little overhang outdoor thing, and it's an arcade. But as you walk into the actual store, there's clearly more claw machines, the UFO catchers, and yeah, it's pretty crazy how many there are. The thing you walk into, at least in this Manga Souko, is fancy jewelry and watches. You need a cell phone, they sell those. Use cell phones. The video game section is insanely amazing. Look at this. They have all the classic game systems, plus of course the new ones. Special edition versions of all kinds of things. Look at this. Wii U games, Nintendo Switch games. Look at this. This is like games. This is games for like every system you could possibly think of, all the way back to like the original Atari. It's insane. Look at this. That's Wii, of course. A PS Vita. You got PS4 here. Nintendo 3DS. More 3DS. They're all labeled here. PlayStation. Look at this. I don't even know what these are. Oh, Game Boy. Wow, those are actually original cases, unopened. Wow, they're kind of pricey. Unopened Game Boy games. This is the Super Famicom, I believe. Very popular in Japan, but not at all popular in America. Literally, Japan has so many video games that just were not released in America. In fact, most of these games on this shelf I haven't even heard of, but they look like a lot of fun. In fact, let me just grab one at random, and I'm pretty sure it's not in America. Let's just see. Yep, never heard of it. I don't even know what these games are, but I want to play them all. I want to play them all. The Sega Saturn games. Sega Saturn, guys. I don't even remember this system. I didn't have one. Oh my gosh, what is this? HE system, PC engine, I don't even know what this is. Oh, of course, N64. You guys remember the N64. What is this? Oh, Dreamcast, guys, Dreamcast. They have controllers for like every single old system you could think of. Here's old PlayStation memory cards. I'm kind of disappointed because they usually have a lot of old video game systems that you can buy on the shelf. They have a couple here, but usually there's a lot more. Like this is a Super Famicom original one. It's about 80 bucks. And they have a few down here. Here's a PlayStation 2. Here's a PlayStation 2. Look at, oh, this is another thing. In Japan, they have so many unique versions of game systems that I've never seen in America before. This is a pink, slim PS2, guys. Have you ever seen such a thing? That is dope. I would love to have this. Usually have so many more retro video game systems on the shelf, but this time they are just cleared out or something, or maybe they moved them somewhere. I don't know, maybe we'll find them later, but they're usually lined up along these walls. So now on to the other stuff. If you guys collect these little figurines, they have so many little nerd stuff. Look at, this is just, these are all over the store, but here's some pretty cool ones here. Anyway guys, they do sell used clothes, and it's a pretty big selection of used clothes. You can find some cool stuff in here, but I'm not really gonna focus on the clothes because I really want this. I'm much more interested in the nerd stuff, and I'm sure you guys are too if you're watching this. So let's get out of the clothes. Anime figurines are real. Look at that, that is freaking dope. Some One Piece. Man, I haven't seen that far when Luffy gets whatever that is. Maybe that's not even One Piece. I don't even know what it looks like. Look at this. All new figurines in the boxes. This is amazing, guys. You guys collect these things, this is the place to get them. This thing's huge, and I can't even imagine getting a store bigger than this. Well, I guess I can, but this is a massive nerd store, guys. This is amazing. If you guys ever make it to Okinawa, or maybe you're not even thinking about Okinawa and you want to check it out, come here and check it out. Hopefully I can inspire some of you guys to come to Okinawa. Let's get on to checking more of this stuff out. This is actually pretty cheap, guys. This is Goku. It's 23 bucks, just about 20 bucks with the conversion rate. And I know in America, guys, these things are like at least 50 or 60 if you go to like a comic book store. 20 bucks here. These are sick One Piece figures. Oh my god, I really like these. Look at the detail on that. I am definitely gonna get some of these figures once we get a place of our own here. Want an Attack on Titan fan? Hey guys, we're getting to the manga section. I don't even read manga, but like you could buy these huge collections of manga for like almost nothing. And this store is called Manga Warehouse. So this video would not be complete without showing you the manga collections they have. This is the first aisle of many. All right guys, so let's just walk through this. I'll try not to get anybody on video. These are all manga. Like, I've never even heard of any of these. Let's see. You guys know what this is? Probably a good one. I don't even know. This is crazy. Oh my god. I actually know some of these manga. Wow. Oh my, if I was more into manga, I would like pee myself in this store. Never seen such a huge manga collection in a store for sale in my life. There's little Japanese bookstores and stuff in America, and you really have to work hard to find them. I don't want to show you any of these because there's, okay, here's one. Nobody's down this aisle. You have to really work hard to find a Japanese manga, a place that sells Japanese manga in America. And even if you do find one, it's just like a little bookstore. Maybe they have a few aisles of manga. This is insane though, guys. This is like, picture a public library in America and just fill it with manga, and that's what this store is. This is insane. We are in the adult section, but I'm not going to show you because I'm going to put this on YouTube. But little hint there. This says
You have to be 18. What? I didn't go in the adult section. Next section, cards. They have a lot of cards, as you can see. Magic the Gathering. You want to buy cards? This is the place to do it. And again, rows and rows of cards. I haven't even seen the new Pokemon cards before, but they look a lot better than the old ones, I must admit. Old Yu-Gi-Oh, I think? I never played Yu-Gi-Oh, but I'm pretty sure these are Yu-Gi-Oh cards. That's insane. Down here, they have all these drawers. You can actually just pick up individual cards. It's $1 for that one. They're all in Japanese. I think they actually have American cards though. There's so many cards in here. Just looking through these things, all these drawers of whatever game you're playing, you could literally spend hours in this store. It's insane. Here is more of the figures. Wow. Wow, guys. Ooh. Kirito. Oh, sword art. What does it look like? They have a lot of used sports things too in here. You'd think that Japan is more advanced than most countries, and it usually is, but they actually still use a lot of Blu-rays and DVDs. I think it's because it makes the companies a lot more money. Also, people really like collecting things in Japan. That is a huge thing. They do have a lot of music here also. You can see guitar, used music, and instruments. Another nerd section I like is electronics. If you want to get some electronics, used electronics is a good place to go.
Hey guys, how's it going? It's the next morning and I'm editing the video and I realized I didn't record anything for the end. But don't worry guys, I'll get better at this vlogging thing. That was Manga Souko. There's 3 of them on the island of Okinawa and I think they're all over Japan. I couldn't really show you everything. It's such a big store, but if you ever get a chance to come to Japan, check out Manga Souko if you're a nerd. And guys, if you love Japan as much as I do, I'm gonna be making all kinds of crazy video content from what I think is interesting from an American perspective coming to Japan. So many things that they do so differently here that I'm gonna try and make videos on just all kinds of things. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and hit the subscribe button because I'm gonna be making all kinds of crazy shit when it comes to Japan, showing you guys what's so different about this place and what's cool and what's not and all this stuff. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button and I will see you in the next video.